And welcome again to my channel, Jeanette Coming, beautician, cosmetician, qualified, living in Poland model. For those who already subscribed for me, thank you very much. You make me strong and you keep me going. If it's your first time in my channel, you're really welcome. Today it's it's very cold and rainy, but I just want to say good morning to you all, and I want to show you a little bit the hell that is like navy boats in Holland. As you can see, this place called Dali
Loodsgracht.
Loodsgracht. Okay, in English, how can we explain that?
The Pilot Canal.
Pilot canal. Okay, as you can see, beautiful place. You see the canal. Yeah, you see the houses. So you hear the bird song. So it gives life, you know. So my hairdresser is also very close here. So I come here to make my hair. And I want to show you around. Okay, have a blessing day. Have a blessing day. And yeah, you please don't forget to turn on the bell, subscribe and share. And I see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love you all.